Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 5th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. So my dear students, in our previous class, we will start our third unit, conquering distances. So in our previous session, we was discuss how the wheel are invented, what are the different types of transportation, and in this we have discussed about roadways. In some countries today there are very broad roads called highways. So my dear students, highway means yes, a road which are connecting to a city or a town is called a highway. Okay. Often roads connects one country to another country. If you look in an atlas, you will see that the Grand Trunk Road connects Kolkata in India to Peshawar in Pakistan. So my dear students, roadway is very important way of transportation. So in our India map, we can find that the Grand Trunk Road connects to Kolkata in India to Peshawar in Pakistan. Okay, so this road connects to one country to another country. Okay. The Hindustan-Tibet road connects India to China. Similarly, there are roads connecting India with other neighboring countries. So my dear students, there are many roads which are connecting to India to another countries, which roads are connecting to one country to another country, like the Tibet road is connecting Hindustan from the India to China. Okay. In Europe, there is a long tunnel through the Alps that connects Italy and France. This tunnel is called the Mont Blanc Tunnel. The Channel Tunnel, dug under the sea, connects England and France. So my dear students, so here you can see in the Europe country, there is a tunnel which are connect Italy and France. Okay. And what it calls, yes, it calls a Mont Blanc Tunnel. Okay. And where we can find it, yes, we can find it under the sea. Okay. Which are connects England and France. In North America, the famous Alaska Highway runs through Canada to connect Alaska to the other states in the USA. So there is a highway, Alaska Highway, which runs through Canada to connect Alaska to the other state in USA. USA means United States of America. What is the full form of USA? Yes, United States of America. Okay. So here you can see on your screen, the Grand Trunk Road connects Kolkata to Peshawar. Okay. Roads have helped to make travel fast and smooth. However, increased traffic has also caused pollution. Yes, roads are very important way of transporting. But in our day-to-day life, what happened? Yes, many vehicles are come and they caused pollution. Okay, the number of people killed in road accidents every year increasing. Yes, our population is increasing, our vehicles are increasing. So what happened? Yes, it caused an accidents and people killed in the road accidents. People all over the world have become aware of these problems. There are stricter rules for safe driving and pollution control now. So my dear students, what we have to do? Yes, we have to follow the traffic rules to decrease the road accident, and we have to control the pollution. So what can we do to decrease the pollution? Yes, we don't have to use many vehicles, and our government is making many rules, traffic rules, to safe driving and to decrease the accidents on the road. Okay na? And to control the pollution also. So my dear students, in our next session, inshallah, we will discuss about railways. Okay. So students, today's your homework is you have to write about the roadways. Okay. Write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you understand. Thank you. So students, which country's trains are run more than 200 kilometers per hour? Yes, in China and Japan. Okay. Which is the longest railway line in the world? Yes, the Trans-Siberian Railway, okay, and these connects Moscow with Vladivostok, okay, and distance over the 9,200 kilometer. In some countries, special rail networks are built for large cities and their suburbs. Suburbs means area away from the center of the city or town is called suburbs, okay. Trains in these networks run either on elevated tracks that are high above the regular roads or on tracks built underground through tunnels. Such a rail network is known as the metro. So my dear students, in our Telangana state, in Hyderabad, we can find the metro train, okay. In India, Kolkata was the first city to have metro. Other cities such as Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi also have metro networks. So, in India, which city have the first metro? Yes, the Kolkata, okay. And such as other cities has also metro trains like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi, okay. So, in these cities, metro are available. My dear students, in our today's class, we was discuss about railways, okay na? And inshallah, in our next session, we will discuss about waterways, okay? How waterways are useful for transportation and who make these waterways, etc. So students, today's your homework is you have to write short notes on this, okay? About railway, okay? Write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.